Hello, good afternoon. It's a beautiful day today. I said, let me come and see my niece. I'm here with my niece. This is Amazing Grace Cooking Zone, and I've got my niece here.
Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, Lady Linda's Kitchen. This is a collaboration between Amazing Grace Cooking Zone and Lady Linda's Kitchen. This is my auntie, everyone.
Hello.
Doesn't she look amazing? And today we're gonna cook for you the Nigerian jollof rice. How does that sound? Are you interested?
Yay!
Let's do this.
And please don't forget, thumb up and subscribe. If you like the channel, you see more. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank
everyone.
you for watching.
Okay, like we said earlier, today we're going to cook an African, precisely Nigerian jollof rice, because you have different sort of jollof rice. And these are ingredients, just like we've shown earlier. You need your rice. Auntie Grace, this is your rice, ready washed. Yes, we are cooking a lot. It's gonna be like half a kilo of jollof rice, because we probably have a barbecue and takeaway as well for my auntie. For your half a kilo of rice, we need a very big pot. So that's about 3.5 kg of rice. And there's a particular rice you use. Some people use golden basmati, but today we're going to be using Tilda rice, because before the lockdown, as you all know, rice disappeared.
We've got here sweet pepper. Look, it's already been cleaned. We've taken all those seed out of it, so it's easy to blend. We got some butter here, 125. You have to measure here.
Grams of butter.
Okay. Garlic. Yes, very good. And we've got pureed tomatoes. All this we've already measured. Yeah. And we've got some chili here. Very hot chili. I don't touch it because it's very hot for me. We got some Maggi cube here, and you've got a special curry from Nigeria.
Yeah.
It's a special one.
Absolutely.
Okay, why do we use this curry from Nigeria?
Because I find out if you use the Asian curry, it tends to change the taste and the aroma. So if you're making a general jollof rice, it's fine. You can use Jamaican curry, you can use Indian curry, it's fine. However, Nigerian jollof rice, you need your Nigerian curry and thyme, which is either the Lion brand or the Blue Cross, and that is your thyme, which is straight from Niger.
And lastly, we've got the thyme here. Everything is being measured. Pink salt, which is they said it's very healthier. It's healthier to use than using all the healthier option. And we've got some chopped tomatoes. Don't forget the oil. And this is the cooking oil. Over to you.
Okay, thank you everyone. And I think we left this out. We need onion. Personally, I prefer the red onion because I believe it's sweeter. Preferences. So for the amount of rice we're cooking, which is about 3.5 kg or kilos of rice, we're going to use 4 medium-sized onion. Something I've noticed with Tolly Boy, because it's a heavier rice, it requires a lot of seasoning. So whatever you do, if it was for the golden basmati, you wouldn't need as much, probably a little lesser. But with Tolly Boy, you need more ingredients to make it richer. So let's get cooking. Now, as we've shown you the ingredients you used earlier on, because of time, I've gone ahead and blended my pepper. We had to use 4 tins of chopped pepper, everything blended, chili pepper, onion, and your sweet pepper, ginger and garlic, guys. So what we'll do, I'll turn the hob on. Your butter goes in first. I don't know what it is, but this is how I learned how to make jollof rice from my mom, because she does catering. So if you want that party Nigerian jollof rice, you need your butter, guys. And this is my 125 grams. I'm going to plonk it in the pot like so. Easy peasy.
Just dump it.
I did say I was going to cook it. And you need your wooden spoon, guys. With your jollof rice, make sure, please guys, you have your wooden spoon. Because, tell your secret, when you stir your jollof rice and you use metal spoon and you stir it to the bottom, it burns What happens, Auntie?
Burn the pot.
It does burn the pot.
And you wouldn't like the taste.
I'll show you what's going on. My butter. So I'm melting my butter. If your butter is not frozen, then you don't need to do this. Auntie, do you want to add the oil? Whatever oil you like.
1 cup of cooking oil.
There we go. And what we're going to do now, we're just going to wait for the butter to melt a bit. After adding my butter, I brown a bit of onion. A bit of onion, guys. So, like that much. From that in, like so. Your wooden spoon, you give it a bit of stir. Auntie, are you ready? Please, whatever you do, don't add olive oil. Do you know why? Olive oil is a healthy oil, so it doesn't need overheating. Once you overheat it, it becomes bad oil. So please, sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, cooking oil, that will be good, but not olive oil.
Pepper, ready, blended.
Over to the pot. Fantastic. Can you see? Like we said earlier, we have our Nigerian curry. So this is about 2 tablespoons. Oh, did I say curry?
No,
Forgive me. Fine.
Time,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's your curry.
Yeah, it's a curry. Don't even, you might be looking and say, curry is that? No, it's thyme. This is curry, Nigerian curry.
So,
Okay.
Then, with this, what gives your jollof rice that amazingly inviting orangey color is this, and your sweet pepper. Okay? Is it bell pepper or just sweet pepper?
It's sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper. However, not just any kind of puree. I use Derica. Derica. That's Derica. It's also from Nigeria. You can use any other brand, but I just prefer this. It's richer, and I think, well, I'm just used to it.
Yeah.
All of it.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So you can give it a bit of a stir.
The pot is so big, you can see what is happening here. I want to show you
Okay.
all the colors.
Let me tip this a little bit.
Beautiful colors.
Oh,
Yeah.
orangey.
You see?
Yum. Another lovely ingredient you need with your jollof rice is a bay leaf. Okay, simple, but it does the magic. So for this amount of rice, you can put 2 medium size. When you go to the food store, the aisle where they have their spices, you find bay leaf there. So I'm just gonna add 1 today. Okay, plug that in. It doesn't need washing. And your Maggi. So I use the no Maggi cube. No Maggi, not Maggi cube. So I'm gonna put that there to show you this is what I use for my jollof rice. So, and for this amount of rice, it really depends. If you're going to salt your food, I usually don't cook with food.
Salt.
Salt. But I do cook for other people or parties. Today we're gonna go eat with a table salt. Use pink salt or table salt. It's just that this is healthier. And for this amount of rice, I'm going to do 4 Knorr cubes.
Okay.
And Knorr cubes are double, so in 1 Knorr cube you have 2 cubes of Maggi. So we have 8 cubes of Maggi to go in there.
Okay.
For that amount of rice, we're going to have 1 tablespoon of salt. Don't forget, guys, you are allowed the amount of salt you like. So salt, pepper, or your chili is according to your taste. I don't eat too much salt. Auntie,
I don't like salt.
Okay.
Sorry.
So 1 teaspoon for that amount of rice. We need salt, but not too much.
I'm gonna give it a stir now.
I know.
Ooh. Oh, the smell itself.
Do you like the smell?
It's lovely smell.
It should take about 20 minutes to cook. Tell you also, when you know that your pepper is ready, the oil that we added earlier will float and you can just smell it. Can you smell that?
Yes. There you go.
So,
I feel like eating the sauce alone by itself.
so what we're going to do now, I'll show you the consistency. It's almost like ketchup consistency. It's thick. However, you can't add your rice to this yet because it's too thick to cook your rice, that amount of rice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some beef sauce or stock or chicken stock. So ready-made stock that you have. If you don't have stock, don't worry, you can add just water. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take out some of our sauce because we don't want soggy rice. It's too thick, it's not going to cook your rice, one, and if it's too runny, it's going to make your rice soggy. So this is about, let's say, 400 mils of water of stock. So this is 400 mils of just water.
So I'm going to add the rice. I've already washed my hands.
Absolutely.
A lot of rice.
Yeah, it is a lot of rice. We're going to cook this. Stir your rice all together. And don't let your wooden spoon get to the bottom of the pot, please.
Okay.
So it doesn't start burning too early. It's for 25-30 minutes. Put that back on. We're going to cook this at full heat, guys. And we're going to set a timer. We'll do 25 minutes, guys. Come back to taste how soft the rice is. If it's okay by you, then you give it a stir. Rice ready. But if it's not, we add a bit more water. If you need extra salt, extra Maggi, that's the time you add it.
Okay.
Put the steam back on, and if you're going to add water, just bit by bit. So guys, thank you for your patience. Jollof rice tastes yummy, but it needs extra work. Okay?
Technique.
We'll see you.
Don't forget
in
subscribe.
25. So after 25 minutes, there you have your rice.
Wow.
Nice and fluffy. Can you see the oranginess? This is what I'm talking to you about. You see that?
Wow. Just look at that. Beautiful.
You have your Nigerian party rice. There you have it, guys.
See? Lovely. And that's the bay leaf.
Absolutely. You don't have to eat the bay leaf, guys. You don't have to do that. So,
It's a bit of
fluffy. Hello. Social distancing. What do you think?
mm.
Excellent.
That's beautiful.
So what we did, put it in there for 25 minutes with your foil. You can see I still have my foil in, so you don't need too much water. Keeps all the steam in, and there you have your rice. Not sticky. So even though I think after 20 minutes, before my last 5 minutes, the last 5 minutes for the rice to cook, I added just a little bit of water and just covered back the steam. So as I said earlier, you taste, it depends on how soft you like your rice. So is that perfect for you?
I think that's cool.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget
To like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video if you learned a new trick on how to prepare your amazing party jollof rice.
Really had a beautiful time today.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for watching. I have to go and eat my rice now. Sorry.
Enjoy.